Hold up, player. You mean to tell me those photos right there were shot on the iPhone 11 Pro? Absolutely 100%. Now, these are the photos that I definitely want to talk about, but yeah, you gotta watch the video, G. Alright, so we're out with the brand new iPhone 11 Pro out here, obviously in Marina Del Rey. I'm gonna get some great shots with you guys. I'm gonna make sure I put this camera to use. I should have brought down my smartphone gimbal, but I didn't bring it down. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna shoot some typical regular photos and some video handheld, which is good because we get to see what the stabilization and how a lot of you, mostly everyone, will use this phone handheld as opposed to on a gimbal. Hopefully we get some light player, but usually this is how Cali always start off, gray, and then eventually the clouds will break. I'll definitely get some shots on the gimbal for those of you who are gonna be trying to do professional and probably do full content production, but I'm also gonna do handheld for the average consumer. I look out for everybody, not just people like me. I want people like you to feel comfortable making this purchase or not making this purchase. So that's what it's all about. So iPhone 11 Pro, about to get into some camera tests. I was already shooting some footage earlier. I was putting it up against the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Let's get it. Okay, so now we are going to test handheld front-facing cameras on both of these. I got the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, you know what I'm saying, player? And we got the brand new iPhone 11 Pro. Should I walk down that alley? Let me see. You know what I mean? So the sun is behind me right now. This is the most challenging shot for most cameras. Now if I turn around this way, bam, the sun is on me. Perfect lighting for me. We can definitely test the dynamic range because you can see the clouds behind me. I'm not sure what's happening on either other screen because my lenses on my glasses are tinted, player. But you'll get to see it and you get to see. So let me get a little bit more of an aggressive walk. Just try to shake it out. You hear my keys jangling. That's how you know I'm moving, player. I'm moving, player. I'm moving. So we test that. Now, let me take a couple selfies real quick. See what the camera outside of video is looking like. All right, guess we have to redo that. Yeah, I tried to do it one time on the rear cameras from both of these bad boys with the ultra wide rear. You know what I'm saying? What you would usually use to vlog out here in sunny California. Nah, yay. What I'm doing out here, player, you don't watch my videos, you would know. YouTube next up for YouTube Black, baby. Can't wait to start experiencing that and sharing that with you guys. But, oh, let's go this way because the sun is behind me. You know what I'm saying? That's the most challenging shot for any camera, is to have your subject right here and the sun just beaming from behind. This just doesn't make sense. But if we flip this way, the sun is lighting me properly. But we got the ultra wide, boys, so let's see what it look like. All right, so here's what's about to happen. You know, time is minimum because I'm out here, you know, doing this whole YouTube thing, you know what I'm saying? Can y'all see that? Wait, hold up, I gotta show y'all the swag. I mean, if you follow me on social media, you've seen it, bam. But basically, I'm gonna try to vlog a lot of my day on the iPhone 11 Pro. I'm gonna throw it on the gimbal, so that way, you know, I mean, right now I'm doing handheld, and I got a lot of handheld footage in this video, so you don't have to worry about that. I'll swap, I'll alternate. I'll do a handheld, and I'll do gimbal, and then, you know, I'll note it down on the screen and whatever, but we're gonna put this bad boy to the test. So those of you who are wondering if this could be like your creation go-to, I'm gonna show you. I can't show you everything, you know what I'm saying? Because, you know, some of that stuff is confidential. But at the end of the day, I'm gonna share some of my day. So I gotta get my gimbal. The gimbal I'm using, I showed you guys before on my Galaxy Note 10 videos, the Spyutech SPG2. So matter of fact, I need to balance this thing. And I gotta leave in like 9 minutes. The bus is like right down there. Bam. Can you see it? Right there, yep. What's up, y'all? All right, y'all, so that's the bus we're gonna be on, but I'm gonna try to run off to this beach area real quick. I don't know what my man over there doing. I'm gonna keep an eye on him, player. What up, player? Look, I see you over there. Look. There goes some more with some. I see the man with the next up swag out here. That's my man Will right here.
What's
you know
up, y'all?
what Shout out
oh,
to
you
channel,
got the
man.
iPhone 11.
Yeah.
You fancy.
Oh, I mean, I'm a tech guy. Come on, man. CJ knows tech. Come on, man.
It
It wouldn't be right, man. Yo, shout out to the channel, Blair.
Let them know the Will Edmond.
You know what I mean?
Me up on YouTube. Travel with me.
Look, man, out here with the palm trees and the water and stuff. Traveling, man.
Hell yeah, bro.
All right, so most of this is the rear wide angle camera, as you can see. So you got to test some of the audio. That's just me shooting straight up raw. Whew. Views, man. It's a nice place, man. I love the water. The water is my absolute favorite place to be. It's the best air, just the best vibe. It's so calming. It's just so swagful, man. So I'm out here, man. And I'm so glad they got this so I can walk on the sand without walking in the sand. Cause you know your boy got on the bread ones. Can y'all see him? I don't know if y'all can see him. And there goes the bus. Oh, I see my man right here. Hold up. Oh, I see the 11.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Concord. Hey, yeah, let him know who he is, man, because I ain't done no
Corey
intros.
Jones channel. Corey Jones, you know what I'm saying?
Corey Jones. And Concord joints, too. The way I saw her and Will run out the elevator, I knew there was some trouble about to happen. I was like, look, they got off too quick.
Last night, we gonna say. Day 2. Y'all ready
I
for
know.
day 2? Day 2.
Oh, he's the only one we missing?
Oh, y'all by y'all.
Oh, Jermaine player, where you at, G? You know what I'm saying? Everybody up, where you at? Yo, visionary, man, put the drone down, player, and come on, get on the bus. Sneaker swag out here. You know, I see the snakes. I love Jordan 1s. Yeah, I love Jordan 1s, no lie.
By default, and then you can save that as a profile to be like, whenever you open up raw photos, use this one, and it'll automatically turn on those compensation settings.
All right, guys, so these photos right here are the photos that I really wanted to focus on and talk about in this camera review, because what this is, you're seeing this is out of camera, iPhone camera, yes, and these are looking professional, but look at the environment. The environment that I'm shooting these in is a professionally lit, or like a properly lit. Let me not say professionally, just properly lit. And that's the main key to getting A1 photo quality out of a smartphone. The iPhone, since we're on the iPhone, we're talking about the iPhone camera, but any smartphone, just to be real. But at the end of the day, if you want the quality that you're seeing right here, it has to be lit properly. And that's what it comes down to. So that's just a point I want to stress. You know, I'm going to get into this in a rant at the end of this video. So let me be quiet right now and get to what I'm doing with this edit. All right, y'all. It's like, what, 10:26, end of the night. I'm in the bathroom because that's where the best lighting is. Hopefully, I mean, this is going to be a short video. It's not going to be like super long and extensive and all that craziness. It's just going to show you that you can use the iPhone 11 Pro to get usable video footage, and possibly you can be a creator just using the iPhone 11 Pro, because the cameras are crazy, man. They're really good. I've always felt that video quality on the iPhone has always been up to par, but they've taken it up to another level. Like right now, I'm just looking at myself right now and I'm seeing the video quality is great. Even like the color science and the reproduction. Obviously it's a well-lit situation, and that's one of my biggest points. Like, when I show you what I show you about the camera with the iPhone, and I point out, you know, at the end of the day, essentially it's all about the lighting, the setting, and what situation you're putting yourself in when you go to shoot with these items. Even when it comes down to cameras, you know, we get so caught up in the tech and, oh, this has to have this has to have that. But okay, I'm gonna be 100. Yes, it matters to a degree, like for real. They have to improve their algorithm on cameras. They have to improve the actual sensor. They have to improve mainly when it comes to smartphone tech. As far as cameras goes, it's all algorithm, because I mean the sensor is only so big that they have to do so much more weight pulling with software. But the fact that Apple put a lot of focus on that, they realized that the consumers are here for the camera. Whether you want to accept it or not, if you're a technology snob or whatever you are, you think it's features. No, people, the average consumer, they're looking at the camera, because what do? We're on social media. We're creating content. We're taking it straight from phone direct to our audience, and we just need that fire content and that fire quality. Same thing across the board, even going to YouTube and so forth. At the end of the day, you guys understand what I'm trying to say. The reality is, like, here it is, the truth, like fact. anything could be dope if you got the right setting. So if you're doing this studio setup in a situation where you always doing talking head, if you like that joint, like for real, like the way, you know what I mean? If you go above and beyond to understand lighting and you put the proper lighting in place, that device is gonna look great regardless. If you put yourself in ideal situations, outside, you know, natural sunlight, you have to do the things that make sense for the tools that you're using. So if you are a creator and all you have is a smartphone, your investment should not be so much the tech per se. Now, if you get this phone, if you're thinking about getting this phone for creation, it's definitely a great phone. But what's gonna make it actually shine and stand out the way that you expect it to be is the fact that you understand lighting and setting this phone up to be the best that it can be. I'm shooting right here because it's a nice big light right here. It's putting that light and setting up the situation, and you are getting the quality. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm in the bathroom, so what? You know what I mean? I'm where the lighting is because I want this to have A1 quality so you watch it and you get this message. So, you know what I mean? No fluff, none of that nonsense. Like, I'm gonna show you like a professional looking photo, like A1 quality, taken with this here smartphone. And it's not the fact that it's the smartphone, it's the fact that the environment was set up to make this smartphone perform at its best capability. That's it, period. So stop watching all these camera reviews and all that. I mean, watch mine, because you know I'm gonna keep it a buck with you, Plaid. But understand that in these camera reviews, they need to teach you the right situations to make the camera look the way that it should look, or the way that it can look. And that's just it, man. I'm just keeping it a buck, man. No more of the sugarcoat, no more of the, I just show you what it can do without showing you how you can do that. So that's what it is, man. My name is CJ. This is CJ Knows Tech, man. And if you're looking at the iPhone 11 Pro for video or photos, content creation, you know what I mean? Social media. You're just an average consumer, you want your IG popping, all those things, just understand, put it yourself in the right situation, lighting, and I promise you, you're gonna kill it. So, man, hey, not taking anything from Apple, they absolutely crushed it. This algorithm is A1. This is just straight butter. I'm sitting here 5 minutes talking because this thing looks so good, Plaid. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, this 1031. Yes, that's the Apple Watch Series 5. Don't, you know what I mean? Don't get it twisted. Anyways, man, I'm done, man. I'm finna turn down for the night because I gotta get up early and I need to edit and put together a video to upload for you guys because, yeah, my last video didn't do so well, so I pulled it, so I gotta come back with fire. Peace.